How are you guys doing? This is Martin. Probably know me from my series on how to pay off your car loan in 36 months without giving up Starbucks. I haven't went to Starbucks today because I'm going to the gym and trying to keep everything off my stomach. See if I can't get below. I don't know why. It just doesn't help me. I do like a cardio workout, do like the body pump, and I do the body combat. So trying to move this 51-year-old body, I feel like a crippled giraffe sometimes. It'd be like a new baby giraffe. I try like a baby giraffe learning how to walk with these long legs. So, and then I know I've seen some of you guys looking at my other series on how I talked about how to pay off your car loan. You should look at that, man. I recommend all of you go back and listen to whatever I talk about. First, go back and listen to my earlier stories all the way back to 2014, where I talked about how I started off paying off my loan. See how like I was kind of happy and jolly. And now compare that to like how I'm paying off my car loan now. We're like, hey, I know I got to pay $400 a month on this car. Got to avoid paying the $16 late payment because that's like half a car payment. I got to find out if I can pay a little extra toward my loan. My car loan is $354 a month. So if I pay $400, that's $46 times 12. So that's basically one extra payment a month. And then if you say I have like a 4-year car loan, so that's like 4 months of payment. So I pay off my car loan 4 months faster. That doesn't count if I get any income tax money or extra money. I'm gonna working going door to door selling products. You got to go old school now, man. So go back and look at those series, especially the one where I talked about how I had to pay off my car loan in 17 months. The reason I had to pay it off in 17 months is because I got a letter from the state of California saying that my grandmother owed $19,412 for Medicare, staying in a convalescent home, and other services. And if they didn't get that money, they were going to repossess her house. The problem was the house was in foreclosure, so it would have just been a mess trying to like have the state come in and sell the house. Then whatever they get, they're going to give me my proceeds. It was just a mess. And I decided I needed to get this car. I needed to at least get rid of like the car loan. That's why I talked to you about paying off those small loans. You pay off those small loans. Just, hey, if you have a $300 loan, just pay the minimum on your bigger loans. And just take a couple of months to pay off that small loan. I don't care if you got to go beg on a corner, go sell something. I know some of you guys like to go party. You just pay off the bill. You know, ain't nobody going home with you at no bar. So just, you'd be better off paying off the loan instead of wasting that money on alcohol. Ain't nobody going home with you. And all you guys putting your pictures on Tinders and taking pictures in the gym bathroom, ain't no woman gonna go home with you. You may get you a man in Palm Springs, I can keep telling you. You're going to go to West Hollywood, Palm Springs. If you know any other gay areas, let me know, man. Because I got these guys in my gym. They like to take pictures. Ain't no girl going with them. But I know in Palm Springs about some 50, 60-year-old guys that got something for them. They're looking for a little boy. So I'm sure these young guys will be, yeah, now you can pay the bill. They'll pay the freight, too. Have a little boy him and his friends have some fun with. So try that out. But yeah, so going back to that, those are some good stuff because once you pay off those smaller bills, then you can start throwing money at the bigger bills. Pay that smaller, bigger bill off. Then after that, go to the next bigger bill. So that's how I reduced my student loan from $93,000 down to $32,789 starting. I made a big push starting 2014 to get that thing paid off. So this year, I'm going to try to get it paid off. We'll talk about student loans later. But I got to tell you, I was a coward. I didn't realize that sales is everything, man. You see? That is the Best Buy parking lot. I can't sell people to go. I can sell a bunch of broke people to come out on Black Friday and all the way through Christmas. But then after that, I got nobody. It's like I got to go like 8 months before I could get a crowd to come in that early to camp outside and stuff. Come on, man. That's crazy. Now, if I would have gone, if I called up every customer who came here, you know the reason why people don't like being called? I'm going to tell you the secret. The reason people don't like being called, like I saw like an older couple, like little girls. Would you like to buy some Girl Scout cookies, $5? Old couple. Oh, no. I have a little girl. Even if you have a little girl, could you buy a box for me? in honor of your little girl. It's like, oh, I have a little girl. Oh, well, could you buy both boxes? One from her, buy a box from both of us, one for her, one for me. You know why? Because they broke, man. They're probably going out. I mean, it's okay to say you're broke, man. Say, little girl, we're an old couple. We fucked up. We don't know how to make money. We're living on retirement. The C virus dropped our retirement by 500. We can't afford. We can barely afford dog food to eat. We got our dog food dish. So, sorry, honey. So even I blame myself. I put myself in it. I had a couple of the high school kids saying, oh, they wanted $20 for something. I almost said no, but I said nope. You know what? I gave them the $20. If I could go to Vegas, spend like, how much was I dropping on drinks? I think for 3 drinks I paid, God, especially in the airport, they're like averaging $13, $14. That was $52 that I spent. So 26 in the Vegas airport, probably dropped another 60 in the Ontario airport. And then I had a nerve with some kids trying to get a call, raise money for his call, saying, oh, I don't have no money. I'm a motherfucking liar, man. I am a liar because I wasted that money on bullshit. So that's what I say. You can pay off these small bills. That was like $80 I wasted. And I'm sure you guys do more than me. Were you drinking Long Island's? I don't know what the drink of choice is right now, but that's what I'm saying. You can pay off a small bill, I bet you, in 2 to 3 weeks, man. It's super easy. Just stop all the bizarre stuff. You get it done. So that's why I push you on those car loans, because those car loans will kill you, man. Do you really want to pay a car loan for 60 months? And I already told you the IRS depreciates a car to zero in 60 months. And I know some of you driving some of these luxury cars. It's great to have a car. I had it, but you don't want to have a car that you're paying for. You don't want to be paying for a 2020 Audi in 2026. Because if you get hit, as soon as you pay that car off, if you get hit, that car is going to zero, buddy. And you ain't going to have no money to repair it. I'm serious. You get to $2,000. You're going to get your $2,000. You put it down for another $50,000 car. Do it all over again. But that's why I say, pay off these car loans early, man. But I was a coward. Like, let's get back to sales. I got to up my sales game. Next 4 weekends, I'm going to be at that BNP tournament. Then I'm going to start cold calling people on phones. And I got to just practice talking to everyone I see. I'm just going to start calling people up, leaving messages. I just got to go out to, the only way to get money is to beg. Like I told you yesterday. I was on the 3rd floor unit facing the pool, all the girls running around in their bikinis. 32 years ago, 1968. Okay, 52 years ago. I don't know, man. But what's a black man? What you doing, that Negro? Get him, man. Get him. Or just cut back to Magic Johnson, 1988. 32 years ago. AIDS. He was a black man on the court with other black men. We don't know how he got it. I still don't know how he got it. Their stories, but he's still alive and he's a billionaire. So, hey, maybe he's saying you need to get AIDS in order to motivate yourself to go out and do something. So that's great. Saw him talk. So he's right, man. And I like how he talked about, was at a Grant Cardone's GrowthCon 4 conference. And I also liked how he talked about family, because I told you, go back and look at my series on how I talk about family and friends are going to be your worst enemy. It's so funny because I call people on the phone because I do cold calling for houses. Oh, we don't want to sell my house. I want to give my house to my baby. Your baby is living with his living girlfriend. They have a kid. They're living in your house. It's at least 4 of you in a 2-bedroom, probably a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house. All kind of stuff is going on. Probably got a dog that comes in and pisses against the wall. And then you got the nerve to think, I'm going to get the same price. My house is going to be $500,000 because the bank appraises is that, and there's some new houses going in for $600,000, so my house should be worth $6,000 due. No, it's not how it works. Depreciation, the house even depreciates after 30 years. No one's going to pay that much money unless they're going to tear that thing down and put a new complex in or something. And it ain't going to happen anywhere in San Bernardino, Riverside County. There are no houses. I repeat, there are no houses worth anything. And when you have your 7 to 8 kids or whatever living there, I don't give a shit. It's a piece of junk. Sell it now. Do you think it's going to be worth more now or is it going to be worth more later? That's all I'm going to say. You think it's going to be worth more after the kids stuff up the toilet, break the windows, dog pisses on the walls for 5 years, God knows what kind of roaches and stuff are running around because you don't have enough money to repair the house. It's a mess. Get rid of that damn house. So that's my rant. But I was a coward because I'm going to make you people sell your houses. You know what? I know 125 Macy's stores closed. When that ripple effect starts hitting, I know some of you ain't going to have no money to cover that $2,000 loan. You know what I'm saying? Making $15 an hour at these fulfillment centers, if that's where you want to try to supplement your income, you won't even get $2,000. And your house loan is probably like $2,200, $2,400 now. Reason I'm saying that, because I had one that was running for $1,760. I got it back in 2005, so I can imagine what they are now. So I just want you to go back. I'm a coward for sales. Every time you see me, I want you to say, Martin, did you sell something today? Martin, did you cold call someone today? Martin, did you talk to someone new today? I want you guys to be my conscious. Check me, man. Make sure I'm not just running my mouth. Like, how many of you guys are looking for jobs? The only way for us to make money is we got to go out, sell, follow up. Sell, follow up. Repeat after me. Say sales, follow up, ask for the order. That's it, man. I don't care how they look at you. I don't care what they say. Because, you know, all these businesses are in the same place as you. Look what happened to Macy's. 125 stores. Pier 1 Imports, 452. Last year, Payless Shoe Source, a $1 billion company, out of business. If you don't know how to sell and convert, even if your company is not impacted, that 59% of companies that are breaking even or making money are one contract away from going out of business. And the trick is, are you one of those? Are you working for the company that's making money or the company that's about to close its doors? Check it out. And if you need some help with sales, send me your name or your company. Refer some people to me. I'll hook you up with Grant Cardone. What's the worst that can happen? Talk to the salespeople. Say, hey, no, we don't need any sales help. We're losing money. We're about to fire everyone anyway. I'm about to close my doors and move to Texas. Even if you move to Texas, you still got to sell. Even if you move to Tennessee, Carl's Jr. moved to Tennessee. They still got to make money. You know what? They're losing money because the only way to make money is to sell. You must sell. So email me, martchng2018@gmail.com. martch2018@gmail.com. Hit me up, man. Let me give you some sales help. Let's help each other.